Okay guys, this is MI trimmer, just got now from Amazon delivery. Okay, this is MI trimmer, MI beard trimmer, IPX 7-watt washable body. Okay, I'll open this. Let me cut here. How to open this? Okay, this is the trimmer, and this is MI trimmer. Okay, let's keep this. And this is a brush, and this is another frame, and this is the cable to charge this MI trimmer, and a pouch to carry this. Okay, this can fit into this pouch, and that's it. If you want to buy this, I will give the link in the description from buy there to encourage me. And one thing to say that there is one more frame on this. Okay, along with this trimmer you will get 2 frames. Okay, this is the best trimmer under 1300. Okay, this is washable and waterproof. Okay guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind.